Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. Are you tired of bad hair days? Do you struggle with tangle and knotted? Introducing the self-cleaning hairbrush designed to make your morning routine breeze. With its retractable rotating lift and self-clear design, this brush is not only easy to use but also hygienic and convenient. I am excited to unbox and share with you the self-cleaning hairbrush. Let's dive in and see what's inside. And first impressions, the packaging is silk and compact. The brush itself looks sturdy and well made. Let's take a closer look. Are you can see the brush has a retractable rotatory lift and self-cleaning design. This is supposed to make it easy to detangle hair and keep the brush clean. It looks like the brush comes with a small cleaning brush and some instructions. Let's take a look at the instruction real quick. Okay, so it's a look like the instructions are pretty straight forward. The brush is easy to use and clean, and it's suitable for most hair type. Overall, I am really impressed with the self cleaning hairbrush. The design is silk and functional, and the self cleaning feature is game changer. I am excited to try it out and see how it performs. So guys, thanks for watching everyone. If you interested in learning more about the self-cleaning hairbrush and purchasing one of yourself, be sure to check out the link in my description below. Don't forget to like, share, subscribe to our channel for more amazing content. Till then, bye, take care, thank you for watching my video.